Hi, it's Brandon, and I want to show you how to repair your skate shoes. Here's a hole I'm going to repair. The wound looks fresh. I better operate before it gets infected. I got the material from my old skate shoes. If you find the material too thick, you want to separate the layers if possible. That was easy. Shoe glue the material to your shoe. Here I'll show you how to separate the layers from your material. Just put the knife in between and tear the parts until the pieces are separated. Now apply the shoe glue to the infected area. Spread it over and if possible in the shoe itself. Then apply the shoe glue on the side of the material you want to stick to your shoe. Once that is completed, bandage the infected area and apply pressure. Once it's stuck to the shoe, apply shoe glue on the sides of the material. Then apply on the material if you want to. Then apply weight. It may not look pretty, but it does the job.